Good morning, Susan. The Korean markets are opening mixed. The Kospi down 0.5% and the Kosdaq higher by 1/3% this morning. I take a look at Cjgroup shares, especially Cjgyedang opening higher this morning. Fourth quarter earnings came out very strong last week. Operating profit was up 162%, much higher than local market consensus. And today, we're seeing analyst reports expecting this strength to continue into 2015 earnings as well. Cjgyedang is seeing an improvement in its processed food business, a continued trend that they're seeing from the third quarter of last year. And also, a new growth area for them is the life science area. CJ has been pushing to move its main business growth sector into the biosciences business from F&B, which has long been their main strength. So we're seeing gains for this name, Cjgyedang, opening higher. Also, as a sector, look at the banks and financials today. They are opening higher. And again, Hana Financial Group and IBK both reported fourth quarter earnings above market expectations. Industrial Bank of Korea, for one, reported after market close on Friday, fourth quarter earnings up 5.9% year-on-year, coming from the strength in their main business, which is their loans to corporations. They're seeing an increase in loans to small and medium-sized corporations. Also, Samsung Group shares opening lower this morning. Samsung Electronics down 0.75%. And we are seeing some good news, though, for Samsung Group as a whole. The big deal between Samsung Group and Hanwha has been approved. The Ministry of Trade has approved the deal for Samsung Group to sell its defense affiliates to Hanwha Group, and this will mean this deal will be completed by the first half of this year. We had been seeing some concerns over demonstrations from the labor unions, but this has been approved by the government. Also, take a look at the autos opening steeply lower. Hyundai Motors down 2%. We are seeing some data that South Korean January auto exports were down 2.8% year-on-year. So we are seeing a weakness for the auto sectors this morning. Matt, over to you.
Okay, I'll pick it up here.